Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. Today I want to talk to you guys about fairy eggs. Every now and again a chicken will lay a fairy egg. It's also known as a fart egg. It's also known as a witch egg. So there's different terminologies. I'm going to stick with the fairy egg. So every now and again when you are a chicken keeper, you can have the experience of going out to your coop to collect eggs, and you will find a little tiny egg. Now there's different reasons that chickens will lay these eggs. One of the reasons, and the most common reason for a fairy egg, is a new chicken or a new pullet that is just getting its reproductive system in order, and it will pop out one of these little fairy eggs. Another reason that you can get the little fairy eggs is an older chicken. Now I have older chickens, however I don't think that it is from one of them. When chickens get older, their reproductive system slows down, and like I said, sometimes they'll pop one of these out. Another reason that chickens will lay fairy eggs is if there's stress, environmental stresses, or a predator. I believe that I've got this one because we have a stray cat that's quite aggressive hanging around the chicken area, and I think it's got a couple of the birds a little bit worked up. So now there's one last reason that you can get these fairy eggs, and that's called infectious bronchitis. However, you will know if your chicken has infectious bronchitis because they will be coughing. It's not very common to hear a chicken cough, so if in the event you do hear your chicken coughing, you do want to remove it from the rest of the flock and tend to it because it can spread to the rest of the coop. Hi Speckles, how are you? Yes, I have eggs in the basket. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this little fairy egg up close. So this is a normal egg from my brown chickens. This is from my black chickens. And this is the little fairy egg. It's very tiny. Mind my hands are dirty. It's very tiny. So what I want to do with you guys is I want to crack this open. So most of the time it will be white only and no yolk. So we're going to see if we can do this. Can you guys see that? Wait. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Hang on here. Oh. There we go. It's all egg white. There's a little bit of yuckies in there. But that's what the little fairy egg contains. Sometimes it'll look like, you know how a grape looks without the skin on it? Sometimes it'll look like that. So this is just the egg white with a little bit, looks like a little bit of embryo in there. I'm not sure why, as I don't have a rooster. So it might be from one of my older chickens in that case. Okay, so that is what I had to bring for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming by my channel. Smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Please leave any comments down below if you have gotten a fairy egg or anything like that. Any other information for people, they can leave in the comments below. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.